Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. इस वीडियो के लिए आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन थिंग्स प्लान टू डू ओवर द वीकेंड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी टेकिंग यू गाइज थ्रू इट. तो अभी फ्राइडे की शाम हुई है विच मीन्स दैट टेक्निकली द वीकेंड हैज़ ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड एंड वी वर जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ बेकिंग समथिंग टुनाइट बिकॉज इट्स बिन अ वाइल सिंस वी हैव बेक्ड एंड मुझे और मेरी बहन को बहुत स्वीट की क्रेविंग्स भी हो रही है. ऑल्दो शी इज़ क्रेविंग समथिंग वेरी चॉकलेटी एंड आई एम क्रेविंग समथिंग विच हैज़ बेरीज इन इट. बट क्योंकि अभी घर में सिर्फ ओरियोज अवेलेबल है सो वी हैव डिसाइडेड टू बेक एन ओरियो केक टुनाइट. सो या लेट्स गो गेट बेकिंग. Okay, so I'm done with my dinner and it's about 11ish p.m. in the night and I guess I'll start baking now. So this is just gonna be a 2 utensil recipe because इससे ज़्यादा अगर बर्तन मैंने यूज़ किए तो मेरी मम्मी मेरी जान ले लेगी. So I will be making the entire batter in this one mixie jar kind of thing. इसके अंदर I will be adding Oreos and milk along with some sugar, baking soda and baking powder. And I don't have any specific measurements or anything because I know the consistency. So I just keep adding milk dhire dhire until it's of the perfect consistency. And while I'm getting the batter prepared, my oven is preheating at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20ish minutes. So yeah, let's go get the batter ready. Is in the oven now and that's gonna take about 20ish to 30 minutes to bake. So we're just chilling, we're watching The Mentalist and मैंने वो जार भी बाहर ला लिया है जिसमें हमने बैटर बनाया था केक का बिकॉज हम उसे चाट के खाने वाले हैं. प्लीज़ डोंट जज. But yeah, I'm very excited for the cake. I'm gonna have it with vanilla ice cream. Also, my cousin's brother just came home and it's around 12:30ish in the night right now. So we'll see what to do next. We're thinking of just chilling and talking and catching up because we're meeting after so long. Hi, good morning. It's the next day. It's around 7 a.m. in the morning. We are going to watch a movie. We're going to watch Obsession. It's going to be me, my sister and my cousin brother, and we decided very late in the night around 1 a.m. or something is when we booked the tickets. It's a very impromptu plan. Our show is in about an hour from now. So yeah, I'll see you at the movies. We are back from the movie and oh my god, what an insane movie. इतनी अच्छी हॉरर मूवी मैंने बहुत सालों बाद देखी है. इट इज़ क्रेज़ी. इफ़ यू ऑल हैव स्टिल नॉट सीन द मूवी दैन प्लीज़ 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 गो वॉच इट. भाई मूवी देखने के बाद जब मैंने रील्स पे थियोरीज़ वगैरह देखी एंड मैंने रिलेटेड मोर एंड अंडरस्टूड बेटर फिर और भी फटने लगी. भाई आई हैव नो आइडिया हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्लीप टुनाइट. आई जस्ट कैन नॉट गेट दैट आउट ऑफ माई हेड. It was so good. I have literally no words. And what a crazy, I mean मेरे को पता पड़ा later on कि ये बहुत कम बजट में शूट हुई मूवी है and it is earning so much right now. It is like on the top. It is a must watch. Like theater में देखना ज़रूरी है. इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा था. But anyways, after the movie, I mean, I could not film a lot at the theater because social anxiety and I'm very scared to film in the public. But yeah, we just went for brunch because हम सुबह के निकले हुए थे और हमने कुछ खाया नहीं था. We went to Paper and Pie. We just got some English breakfast. And yeah, now I'm just back home and I'm thinking of taking like a small nap because हम लोग सुबह से जगे हुए थे और रात को भी काफ़ी लेट सोए थे. उठ के I will have to study because I have a test coming up next week in my class. So yeah, let's just sleep for a bit and I'll see you in a bit. back from the library and my school ki friend just called. She said she was here somewhere near my ghar for some work and she asked if I could just join her for dinner. So it's a very quick random plan and I'm just running around the house trying to get ready. I've changed and everything but I don't know what jewelry to put, what makeup to do. It's but like yeah, I have to organize that entire dump. But yeah, I'll just quickly get ready and meet her. It's about 6ish p.m. So we're just thinking of going somewhere nearby. Let's see. This is the lip oil that I use. It's Swiss Beauty ka Dip Tint Lip Oil. So the first application is a very transparent layer, but then with time iska color change hota hai. This my dadi got for me. Iska bottle itna zyada cute hai. Wait, I'll just show it to you all. This is so cute. This is my favorite. Like I'm gonna repurchase it once it gets over. मैं इसको बहुत बचा बचा के यूज़ करती हूँ वैसे भी.
पहले कंफर्म करो 5 तारीख का होगा तो ही मैं भेजता हूँ. 15.
Good morning. It's the next day and it's 6:09 right now. We are planning to go to Cubbon Park, me and my school ke friends who are my 5th grade friends. So these are like my very bachpan ke, close friends. So we thought of going to Cubbon Park and cycle in the morning and see the sunrise and stuff. But metro आज Sunday सिर्फ 7 बजे से शुरू होती है तो the sunrise has already happened. But yeah, we'll just go, we'll cycle and we'll probably get breakfast together. Don't think that every Sunday I wake up this early, every Saturday and Sunday both, because yesterday also I was up early for the movie. I don't know, coincidentally ye hafte dono din, like this weekend dono din I had to wake up early for plans. But yeah, that is what some of my weekends look like. Also I'm thinking of wearing this Harry Potter ka t-shirt, this along with some black pants. I was thinking I'll just have to search from that pile of fresh laundry, so I'll just quickly get ready because I'll have to leave in another 10-15 minutes. I'll see you in the metro.
I'm vlogging on behalf of Jen. This is so gonna go on her YouTube channel.
That is Isha, that is Shivani.
Yeah, we're like her 5th grade friends.
I said that, actually in the morning I was giving them full
Seriously?
meeting my
So
friends.
she's vlogging while I vlog. She's vlogging me vlog and I'm vlogging her
both
vlog.
of them are vlogging
And that's
for
her
me.
job. That's her job to vlog. But yeah,
I
all
suck
good.
at this, as y'all can see.
No, she doesn't. She's
Yes,
you wanna be
I-
famous.
Yeah. but
Shivani,
she's
show your
trying.
face, man. What is this? Yeah.
None of them have social anxiety, bro. I just cannot take out the camera and start. Hi. I'm filming. Why are you recording me?
Okay, bye.
Bye. See you all when we cycle.
I'll use that.
By the time we got cycles, it's literally already, what, 10?
Yeah, it is 10.
Isha.
Yeah, woohoo! It's 10 BKB left our house at 6:30.
6:30 for cycling early in the morning, but then we had to wait. We walked 40 minutes to the 40.
1 hour.
To find the cycle place.
Yeah.
And we waited 40 minutes. No, we waited 1 hour.
1 hour. Where Isha gave us like the juiciest gossip. We're done with cycling and we came for brekkie. It's low-key like brunch. So we're tired as hell. It's bad. Isha stopped talking to us because we did not feed her food on time.
No, nothing like that.
Look who has come home. I have come home. Kanishk has
What's up,
come
guys?
home. Vidit has come home. Vidit, तू बहुत छोटा दिख रहा है.
too busy.
Yes, talking to.
गाइस मैं हूँ कनिष्क और ये है आरुषि का ब्लॉग जो कि उसके YouTube चैनल पे जाने वाला है. अब हम पिक कर रहे हैं हमारे
Vlog बन रहा है.
हर्षिल.
like
Say something for the camera, हर्षिल. बस say something. आज हम क्या कर रहे हैं? ये आरुषि का chaotic weekend ब्लॉग है.
अच्छा आज हम जिम नहीं जा रहे हैं
क्यों नहीं जा रहे हम जिम?
क्योंकि बाहर जा रहे हैं.
Did you remember Father's Day?
What's up, CA baddies? What's up? I'm with it. Seeing you ready to mingle.
There's such bad lighting here. We are fighting
Or,
over which place to go
Trust
for
me,
dinner.
let's just go to either Green Pearl or okay, wait. Let's Golden Circle.
Green Pearl से अच्छा China Pearl.
Have you gone to Green Pearl?
No.
Bro, CA baddies.
इसने तोड़ी भी नहीं.
Yeah. Okay. This is hot. Like spicy.
No,
Yeah,
no.
Just eat it.
Chopstick तो तोड़ो.
Right there.
नहीं आता यार. इसको तोड़ तो सही पहले.
नहीं तोड़ना मत. ऐसे रख. है ना? सुशी आने दे और फिर ऐसे करते ऑटोमेटिकली क्लोज हो जाता है.
वो पीछे ऐसे